ChallengeLock. Today I come at you with a solid steel padlock. Here are the specifics on it. Anyway, so here is the craptastic bitting that came along with it too. Don't need that shit either. So what we do need is my tension wrench. Oh, excuse me, my pick. And my tension wrench. Hee hee. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Off of 5, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Oh, wasn't such a chore now, was it? No, of course not. Let's go ahead and open this sucker up and see what they put inside of this piece of shit. See, it says hardened, and this side says shield security. Awesome. Now that's some friggin' security. Tell me, boy, I tell you what now. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, crap. Clip. Alright, let's see if we can't get this damn C-clip up. Man, this looks like the size of like an American or something. That's crazy. Well, let's lock back up. That's all right. All right. It doesn't appear to want to come off that way. So let's see if we can get it off with this, my multi-tool. Well, I think being a total piece of shit. Alexa, stop. Oh my god. Y'all, I will be back when I get this thing open, okay? Alright, I just got it off, so let's see if we can pull this thing off all the way now. Alright. Got this shit out of the way. Alright, now we're all set back up here. Let's get the keys in this. And 1, 2, 3, and go. Crazy. There's nothing in one. Look at that. There anyway. There's 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4, 5. Obviously nothing has been done to the core because this thing is such a piece. Anyway, let's see what we have in the Bible. Crazy. Look at that. They didn't pin anything, man. I thought I just had a pair of tweezers around here somewhere. Oh, whatever. Can't get it out anyway. Tiny wee spring. And that is a spool. Sweet. Sweet. Oops, that went back too far. That's 4 actually. They're all spools. And last one of these, we got 5 here. There we go. So they sent me a lock. It's a 5-pin lock with only 4 pins. Here is a little zoom action for you. I don't know if you can see that all too well, but here we go. There are standards across the board, and then these are all like a. Let me show you here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's their version of a spool. Dull piece of shit. Anyway, y'all, if you do get a chance to buy one of these padlock, solid steel padlocks, do for the $8 because it's like free shipping, and rekey it. Make it something that works for you. Anyway, that's my 2 cents. Y'all, I just noticed, check this out. Oh, this is for weirdo shit. I didn't take the follower all the way out until just now. There's a ball. And some like silver spring. And all the rest of them are chrome. I mean, yeah, copper. Well, if you look at this guy though, there's a little divot. That must be where that little ball sits. How weird is that? Anyway, just wanted to show you guys. Hey guys, sorry to keep coming back with more stuff, but I actually did some stuff to the pins, and I'm going to put this back together so it makes a little bit more sense. I used American pins for the key pins, and 1 American pin for a driver, and then I altered the other 4 drivers in this, and then here are the springs across the top. So anyway, this should be a pretty radical difference, a radical change from what it was, I'm hoping. So expect this challenge lock in a town near you. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.